This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling all ingredients and tools so you work steadily. Use 2 ripe avocados, 1/2 cup carrier oil, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon castor oil. Add 10 drops rosemary essential oil for scalp stimulation and 5 drops vitamin E as a preservative to extend shelf life. Gather a double boiler, a clean glass jar, cheesecloth for straining, and a 100 ml dark storage bottle to protect the oil from light. Mash the avocado flesh and combine it with the carrier oils in a heat-proof glass jar. Seal the jar for a controlled infusion. Place the sealed jar in a double boiler and maintain a gentle simmer so the water stays hot but not boiling. Warm for 1 hour and stir the mixture every 15 minutes to encourage oil extraction. After an hour, remove the jar, allow it to cool, then open and strain the cooled mixture through cheesecloth, squeezing firmly to extract all infused oil. Once strained, decant the avocado-infused oil into a 100 ml dark bottle and label it with the preparation date. Store refrigerated. Shelf life is about 4 weeks. For use, warm 1 to 2 teaspoons between your palms and apply from roots to ends on damp hair, focusing on dry or damaged areas, then leave for 30 to 60 minutes before shampooing gently. Always patch test first, avoid contact with eyes, and discontinue use immediately if you have an avocado allergy or any scalp irritation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.